Are you looking for a completely PC-free method? Well, don't worry, because in this video tutorial, which we'll be explaining step by step, you won't need a PC. This is a completely PC-free method. We also have other PC-free methods different from this one, which in the video description and in the first pinned comment. What happened is that we have this little padlock in the upper left corner. But when we get to the Wi-Fi network and click skip, it lets us get to the home screen because we formatted our phone. But now it asks for the Google account and a screen lock. If you're the person who changed that pattern or password but then forgot it or had your phone saved, it's been a long time and you can't remember your screen lock, don't worry, because in this video tutorial, we're going to try to solve it and recover your cell phone. What we're going to do is get to where it all started, which is where the pattern, password, or screen lock appears, and where that Google account is. We'll get to that section, and from there we'll explain everything about how to recover your phone. It's a very easy and simple way, and it's fast. Leave in the comments which model it worked on and which it didn't, so that those who haven't been able to solve it yet can help and explain how it works on each model, because sometimes it can vary depending on the model. But this device has the latest Android versions, so those who also have these devices can do it, and as we've indicated in the video description and in the first pinned comment, we've left other completely different updated methods. We've left them in that description and in the first pinned comment. Here we're going to click where it says, use my Google account. If you saw the screen lock we had here, it tells us to use our email. But if you're one of those people who suddenly forgot their email or their password, well, don't worry. What you're going to do now is the following. You're going to go back. You click back. Then after you've clicked back, you're going to do this. You're going to go to Accessibility, enable this option here. Then double-click here, double-click here, double-click here. Here you're going to click on Deny. Now deny, double-click here, click off here, you're going to do it here, you go back. Now you're going to click on the screen several times. It will take you to this section, you click back once. If you go back another, click back, ready. Now what we're going to do is click here where it says Add New Network. We're going to click where it says. Then after we click here on Add New Network, we're going to click on this little gear. We click here on Language, the 3 dots, tap on Update. Go back, turn off here. Tap on Power Off, then scroll down to the last options, tap here. Turn off and on here. Turn off and on here, done, go back, go back. Tap here on Reset and we're going to reset these 4 options that appear here. We're going to tap that one, those resets would be resetting that section. Now what we're going to do is press the power button and the volume down button at the same time, and what we're going to do now is a forced restart. We're going to do a forced restart. And we're going to let the phone take us directly to the home screen. When it takes us directly to the home screen, we'll be finished performing and recovering our phone in the easiest and fastest way possible, without needing a PC. For those who find our video tutorials helpful, please leave a comment indicating which model it worked for and which model it didn't work for, so we can guide and help you. Another thing I want to recommend is if you activated and deactivated all the functions we showed you. This process should work for you. Because the idea here is for you to do exactly as we indicated in this video tutorial. Now, we're going to click here on Start. We'll go to Start. We'll click here on Add. We'll click here on Add, we'll click here on Android, and here we'll see this QR code. Now we'll need another phone. One that has a screen lock and a Google account. Once this option appears here, we'll click on the camera icon and scan this QR code. Let's wait for it to focus properly. Let's wait for it to focus properly here. Okay, and if you can see that we have this option here that says, Sign in with Google. We're going to click here where it says, Sign in with Google. Now, what's going to happen here is that we're going to add this screen lock, which is what gives us access to fix and recover our phone. What's going to happen now is that this device we have here will be syncing that Google account to this other phone. This device and that Google account will be syncing. When we get to this point where this little circle appears here, you're going to do this. You're going to press the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Press those two buttons here. What you're going to do is a forced restart. We're going to do this forced restart, and what we're going to do is wait for it to take us to the home screen. Now, the account we have on this phone will automatically be syncing. At this point, it should already be synced on this cell phone. Now we're going to wait for it to take us directly to the home screen. Here we'll be finishing what is this recovery process, as we've shown you, is the easiest and fastest way, without needing a PC. Let us know in the comments if you skipped this video tutorial and it didn't work for you. If so, I recommend going back and repeating the video. If you didn't activate and deactivate everything we covered in this tutorial, the recovery won't work. Let's click here on Start, then click here on Add. And wait for it to take us there. Now we should see that the Google account we had on the other phone has been added to this one. When we see that it's been added, we'll have fully recovered our phone. We're almost there, we're in the final steps. We'll be configuring and accessing our account. The fastest and most efficient way to recover your device without a PC. You know that in the video description and the first pinned comment, we have other methods. Yes, we can see the email here. we can see that it was added. Adding it here takes us to this option. We click where it says, do not copy. Then click, skip, then, skip again. You can add the screen lock. I'm going to click, skip, here to avoid this configuration. We're going to click, skip. Wait. Few. Then. Skip again. We click, skip. Seconds, and then what you're going to do is this. We're going to pay close attention to this video tutorial to be able to solve and recover it. We click here, we click next. Then we're going to click finish and we'll be back at the beginning, recovering our cell phone in the easiest and fastest way, which would be without needing a PC. A completely PC-free method. Easy and fast, as you can see we are already at the beginning.